Welcome, welcome, welcome. Grandmaster Andre Glenn here again, 360 Combat. Showing you another conditioning drill you can do for your draws of your firearm. Get you a training gun or make your real gun safe, no ammo around it, no ammo in it. And get you a bungee cord. So pretty safe, self-explanatory. Or just get you a bungee cord by itself with no firearm. I'm gonna show you two different variations. First, I'm gonna grab it first with just a bungee cord. Work your both hand draw up to the eye, bringing the gun up, with just simulating with your hand. And then I'm gonna put the training weapon, which I have a blue gun, blue training gun. And I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna put the bungee cord around my hand and use that to simulate a little stress and duress on the shoulders and arms, but it will increase your speed in your drawing. One hand and two hand pushing the gun up out from the chest. Also one hand presenting the gun all the way up to the eye. All right, check this out. Give it a try. Do this for like 30 minutes a day. You know, get you going before you go out the house in the morning, something like that, or in the evening. Just get your reps in, okay? Check this out. I'm going to do it first with just the bungee cord, grabbing the bungee cord, pushing it out. Grab the bungee cord. Left-handed, guys, push it out. Push it out. Push it out. Push it out. That's the drill. Push it out. Push it out. Push it out. Now put the firearm in the hand. Push it out. Push it out. Push it out. Push it out. Sideways. Push it out. Push it out. Rotate. Try those drills out. Once again, try those drills out. Have tons of variety that you can do with them. Get your reps in. Once again, Grandmaster Glenn. Peace, love, happiness, one love.